NFT Celebrities. Since the introduction of non-fungible tokens or NFTs, the way we think about assets has altered dramatically. Collectibles fans were ecstatic and anxious to take advantage of this new technology. Everyone appears to be hopping on the NFT bandwagon after Mike Winkelmann made news in April for selling a non-fungible token of his artwork for $69 million at an auction. From common people to celebrities, everyone is crazy about NFTs. Welcome to the NFT Explained for Beginners channel, where we decrypt the world of cryptos and NFTs for you. So do you want to know whether your favorite celebs are into NFTs? Well then, stay tuned to the video. So far, users have transferred at least $26.9 billion worth of crypto to ERC-721 and ERC-1155 contracts, two types of Ethereum smart contracts linked to NFT markets and collections thus far in 2021. The majority of consumers purchase NFTs on dedicated markets, similar to how they purchase other cryptocurrencies on exchanges. NFTs are a sort of digital asset that uses blockchain technology to track asset ownership. Since its inception, the obsession has spread to many sorts of art, including paintings, videos, music, and designs. NFTs are similar to cryptocurrencies, except the value is a work of digital art. In this situation, it is non-fungible component that counts. This means that one NFT cannot be used in place of another. Like art, each is one of a kind. In most cases, one piece of cryptocurrency is equivalent to another. Take, for example, Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin is identical. When it comes to NFTs, each one is unique. NFTs are a component of the blockchain like Ethereum. Consider it a type of art collecting. People are willing to pay money in order to claim ownership of digital artwork. Some NFTs are masterpieces in their own way. NFTs are worth a lot of money in any case. In 2021, the most expensive NFT was sold for $69 million. In 2021, the buzz around NFTs exploded, and it shows no signs of slowing down in 2022. Here are some of the well-known celebs who have dabbled in the NFT pool. Every day someone discusses NFTs, the metaverse, or why Bitcoin is the currency of the future. The digital art industry has evolved enormously since the publication of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and other well-known NFTs. It appears like everyone everywhere is joining in on the fad, whether it's a coworker, a family member, or a global celebrity like Lionel Messi. Even BTS, the K-pop supergroup, is said to be working on their own. Here are some of the most well-known celebrities who joined the NFT craze throughout the world. And if you're among the millions of people who follow Justin Bieber on Instagram, you've definitely seen his collection of NFTs, particularly the INBETWEENERS. Bieber has expressed his fondness for the many colorful bear images. Other celebrities like Tom Holland and Snoop Dogg have praised the recently released collection of 10,777 photographs produced by artist GIANPIERO of the INBETWEENERS. Shawn Mendes, a Canadian singer, teamed up with avatar technology startup Genies to develop an NFT in OpenSea, an NFT marketplace, based on his new album Wonders. Guitars, vests, autographed t-shirts, and other digital accessories were unveiled by the performer. The total sales volume is currently close to $10 million. Mendes donated the revenue of the sale to the Shawn Mendes Foundation Wondered Grants, which supports young activists with bold ideas. In September 2021, Lindsay Lohan of Mean Girls launched Fursona, an NFT of her furry friend. Lohan had previously released a new NFT of her song Lullaby, which sold for $85,484.09. The electronic music, which included an animated Lohan and butterflies, and his accompanying graphics, which included an animated Lohan and butterflies, were auctioned off for upwards of $85,000 on Fans Forever. Lohan also sold an NFT of the EDM group Daft Punk for $15,000. According to Lohan, the sale is history in the making, and she believes that crypto, NFTs, and blockchains will become the standard in the future of entertainment. Rap god Eminem released his first batch of NFTs on Nifty Gateway in April 2021. A total of $1.8 million was raised. The objects on the show were digital action figures, characters from Eminem's videos, unique instrumental music, and uncommon tangible products. Eminem released his first NFT collection, ShadyCon, which was a digital event that allows fans to purchase an NFT collectible through Nifty Gateway. The one-of-a-kind recordings were released ahead of the limited edition festival and included original instrumental beats made by the rapper. Eminem stated his love for collectibles when he was young, didn't have a market, and he's pleased to rebuild some of these collections with NFTs. Paris Hilton, the original influencer, epitomized all the forthcoming trends in the early 2000s. The superstar has always seemed to be one step ahead, from her passion for Y2K style to to her declaration that the selfie world would become the new signature, and this is extended to the crypto art sector. Hilton collaborated with designer Blake Catherine on a collection called Hummingbird in My Metaverse, Legend of Love, an iconic crypto queen, which contained 3 distinct pieces. Hilton sold the entire collection for a little over $1 million in April 2021, and she's unveiled 2 new real-life pets, Crypto Hilton and Ether REUM, which are a nod to Hilton's infatuation with NFTs. When asked why Hilton is participating in the frenzy, she said that she's so involved in new media as a platform for fresh inventions that she dreams of future projects, artists, and even metaverses in the middle of the night, applauding its democratization of art. Snoop Dogg released his debut NFT collection, A Journey with the Dog, in late March 2021, which is a compilation of the rapper's early recollections merged with the medium of NFTs. The enduringly successful rapper revealed that his work provides a peek into the life of a young Snoop, with 8 pieces available in limited quantities, including the original track NFT, Snoop Dogg Coins, Diamond Joint, and DEEZ Nuts. Snoop Dogg has commented on the emergence of crypto art, stating that he has witnessed contemporary technology move from analog to digital over the course of his decade-long career. And indeed, he is excited to explore the new digital environment and interact with his followers. Snoop Dogg revealed in October that he will feature in an NFT sitcom dubbed The Doggone Gym, alongside the Harlem Globetrotters. The comedy will be released as part of a bigger NFT endeavor to promote the Globetrotters' new theme tune, which was written by Snoop Dogg. He disclosed in September that he is the man behind the moniker Cosmo di Medici, and he is the happy owner of 17 million in NFTs. Also, Lionel Messi, considered the greatest footballer in the world, debuted his NFT collection in August 2021. Man from the Future, Worth the Wait, and King Piece, all designed by artist Boss Logic and representing key moments from the footballer's career, were included in the collection. The NFT sales soared $3.4 million on the first day of release, demonstrating his celebrity. In fact, Quentin Tarantino is being sued for his NFT offers. The filmmaker has revealed that images of his original handwritten Pulp Fiction script would be auctioned off as NFTs. However, the film's production company Miramax sued him, alleging that the NFT would infringe on their copyright and trademark. The lawsuit has yet to be heard in court, but if it is, it might establish a precedent for how future copyright claims using NFTs are handled. On the other hand, Kanye West revealed to the world on Instagram that he is one of the few celebrities on the planet who is adamantly opposed to non-fungible tokens or NFTs. He said, "My focus is building real products in the real world. Real food, real clothes, real shelter. Do not ask me to do a fucking NFT." NFT supporters argue that they provide artists with new opportunity to sell their work while also having investment value. The anti-NFT faction, on the other hand, is concerned about the blockchain's environmental effect, and it consumes a lot of electricity. Whether you adore NFTs, despise them, or are still unsure what the big deal is, I think we can all agree that these celebrity NFT projects are definitely cool, crazy, and worth talking about. That's all for now, guys. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. And do take note that this is just financial advice, so think before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked our video. Stay tuned for our next interesting video, and we'll assure you, you will not be disappointed.